name is Mary Loos, and I'm the Clinic Director for the Low Income Taxpayer Clinic at Legal Aid of Arkansas. We have our offices in Springdale, Arkansas at 1200 Henrietta, and we have a presence across the northern tier of the state. We have legal aid offices across the state. If you need help with any legal problems, you can contact our helpline. Excuse me. The helpline number is 1-800-952-9243. They take applications by phone Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 1 to 3 p.m. and on Tuesday evenings from 5:15 to 7:15. Legal Aid of Arkansas helps people who can't afford an attorney as long as they meet certain eligibility requirements. And we help them with a variety of issues from consumer, repossessed vehicles, credit card, medical debt, bankruptcies, those kind of cases. We also help with domestic cases, divorces, protective orders, child custody issues. We help people with housing issues that are being evicted or being foreclosed, or if they need help in reworking loans. We have other civil areas that we assist people with. We can help with wills and powers of attorney. We help with guardianships. We do education to try to teach people about their rights and responsibilities for our low-income taxpayer clinic, and we also represent taxpayers with disputes against the IRS. One of the things that I was asked to speak about briefly was the Earned Income Tax Credit. With or without children, a taxpayer can qualify for an Earned Income Tax Credit. The basic person, an individual with no child, can qualify for up to $475 credit. A family with a married couple with 3 children can qualify for up to $5,891 credit. So it can be anywhere within that range, depending on the circumstances and income of the family. Basically, there are 4 criteria that need to be met. The first one is relationship for a qualifying child. The relationship has to be your biological son or daughter, or an adopted child, a stepchild, a foster child, or any descendant such as a grandchild. The age at the end of the filing year would be that the child has to be younger than the taxpayer or the taxpayer's spouse and not over 19 years of age, or unless they're a college student, or not necessarily college, but a full-time student up to age 24. The residency requirement, the child must live with you or your spouse if you're filing a joint return in the United States, including Washington, D.C., for more than half of the year. And the child cannot file a joint return for the year unless the child is simply filing for a refund. The qualifying child cannot be used by more than one person. If you have any questions about any of these rules, you can contact us at 1-800-952-9243. If you want a one-on-one consultation on a tax issue, feel free to call us and we'll be happy to schedule that. If you have a tax dispute, or if you receive a letter from the IRS threatening to levy or telling you that you need to make a payment, or for any other dispute that you might have with the IRS, feel free to call that number and apply for our services. We'll be happy to take a look at it and see what we can do.